So you see that gray piece behind the blue holes? That's the outrigger that I got welded in. Let me zoom back out. The front nose of the bus, the lower part of the nose got crunched. It's really too much to repair. Below the front nose, you see the rust, see the slot, that's where the bumper bracket comes out, and you can see the rust. That bottom piece they call the front valance. There's an outer skin and an inner frame. I'll zoom back out so you don't get dizzy. So here's the replacement outer skin. You can see the outer skins on here. And then here's the inner frame. It's a heavy gauge piece of metal. You can kind of see the shape of it. And then remember that front nose. This is a patch panel for the front nose. And really, right in this area on my bus is where he hit something and smashed it in. So I'm going to have to cut along here and weld this in. There is a point besides filming all these patch panels to why I did this. One, I tend to lose stuff. Here is the front floor, complete front floor for the bus. And this guy, I need it because as you can see, here's the complete front floor. Back on that side, and then here, some of the floor is missing. That's actually the steering wheel and the concrete floor underneath there. So another item, and what and I'm working on this week, and they call it a long panel. So this side of the bus is called the long panel. So underneath this long panel, under the frame, you have the outriggers that need replaced. You also have an inner frame that gets welded on the outriggers. And what's challenging is there's no instruction book. I mean, here's the piece. You know, there's nothing that tells you, you know, does it go this way? Does it go that way? And this lower frame actually gets welded in it. So I've done some research, thank goodness for internet. So this frame, oh, you see that? It gets welded right on top of that. So this lip that's along here, those dimples are drain holes. It gets welded, spot welded along this. And this gets welded to the bus this way with, you guessed it, the two end holes for draining water. So again, internet saved my butt again. Second take. All right. Here's the rocker panel. Prepped it with my flanging tool. I'll be welding this on to the inner frame, rocker frame. Here I'm showing the inner rocker frame. You see the outrigger going to the C-pillar. There's the C-pillar behind the passenger. There's the C-pillar behind the passenger door. Another angle of the C-pillar welded to the inner rocker frame. Inner rocker frame welded to the C-pillar, the opposite end of the bus. And the next C-pillar welded to the inner rocker frame, which is this channel steel you're looking at. Another C-pillar welded to the inner rocker frame channel. And the B. Quick look from the inside. Thanks for watching.